Directing Dad was again a very very memorable experience I'll never forget. Every person who wants to come in the film industry wants to direct a film with my father, so I was blessed to do that as a performance capture film. And I think there is comfort level when you work with family, but ma'am, I will work with other people apart from family also. Thank you. It's been wonderful. Dhanush sir is such a senior to me, and he's 34 films old. And
I just want to say that Dhanush is a real senior to me also. He's really senior. And both Sandari and me really look up to this senior actor that we've been working with for the entire film.
no, I've learned a lot from him, to be very honest, and he is my mentor. And I think he belongs in front of the camera, and cinema is everything he does, cinema and music. So there's a lot I've learned from him, and I'm looking forward to working with him more in the future.
Do I even have to say how my experience was? You saw that?
सौंदर्य मैम आपके सामने है अमित फ्रॉम दैनिक जागरण या सौंदर्य मैम ये आपने काजोल मैम की गुप्त देखी है क्या?
Yes, of course.
ओके तो वो सोच के इनको नेगेटिव रोल दिया इस फिल्म में.
She's not playing a negative. She's just.
एक तो उन्होंने पिक्चर लिखी नहीं है, तो उनको आपसे ये सवाल पूछ ही नहीं सकते. अगर सवाल पूछना ही है तो
धनुष जी.
हाँ बिल्कुल उनको पूछना पड़ेगा ना. तो So the question is for you basically. You need to answer this question, not Saundarya.
No.
I'm the interpreter. मुझे लग रहा है आप सवाल पूछ रहे हैं, मैं उनको सवाल इंग्लिश में पूछ रही हूँ, आप मेरे को हिंदी में पूछ रहे हो.
साउथ इंडियन नहीं आती ना. जी धनुष
हाँ,
आप बताना
बोलिए.
चाहें.
Okay. No, it was not inspired. Adani, that's the question, right? It was not inspired from Gupt. This is completely different. When you see the film, you'll understand. This is she's not playing an antagonist in the film. It's a balance of everything, and I really feel your person necessarily doesn't have to be a villain to be on the opposite side. You know, two people can believe in their own different things, and they might not get along or might not believe in one particular thing, and they might not, get along basically. So it's something like that. So you don't have to look at Vasundhara Parameshwar as the antagonist of the film. She is definitely not. And when you watch the film, you'll understand the balance we've tried to crack with this character.
और एक मतलब कोटेशन भी है कि बिजनेस जो होता है, बिजनेस इज अ कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड फॉर्म ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स. क्या उस प्रेमाइस पे भी मतलब ये इस फिल्म का वन लाइनर आया था, मतलब सिंगल लाइन, वन लाइन?
He's saying that the business is like politics. So is your one line, is that part of the film? No. Okay.
That's it. She's
Next question.
काजोल मैम आपको हिंदी में अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट्स नहीं मिल रही हैं जो साउथ की तरफ, मतलब क्या है?
Please, daft question, but I think scripts जो होती है वो किसी भी भाषा में मिले. I think अच्छी scripts जो होती है वो बहुत बहुत कम होती हैं और मिलती ही नहीं है ज़्यादातर किसी भी भाषा में अगर आप बात कर लो. तो I think that the most important thing for me always is and always has been a good script.
Kajol, your style in the film.
How different it is to work with, South stars than Bollywood?
Okay. Okay. I've no comments about this.
Kajol, hi. To your left. Kajol,
माइक पे हो तो सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. समझ में
Here. Kajol, hi. So your style in the film looks a lot like Mr. Rajnikant's style. Was it inspired?
Really?
Yeah.
Awesome. What a compliment. You made my day. Thank you so much for that.
But I have to ask Dhanush to verify that compliment and Saundarya if they agree with it, because it looks like it's inspired a lot by Mr. Rajnikant.
I really think ma'am played her role in her own style, and she pulled it off in style. So I just think she did it in her own style, and it really looks fab.
And nobody owns 96 frames per second as good as ma'am. Her high-speed walks are
Trust me.
amazing. I could not say cut. When madam goes high-speed, you just need to watch her walk.
She'll skip all my scenes when she's watching the film, by the way. She'll watch only hers.
Saundarya here, Justin here. Saundarya, was there ever a temptation to have Rajinikanth sir in the film in any form, perhaps a small cameo or a special appearance? Was there a temptation like that?
No. Well, I mean, whatever the script demands is what the director has to do. So this script didn't demand something like that. So we didn't even think of something like that, no. God willing, I hope so one day. Who doesn't? God willing, hopefully one day. Who doesn't?
Part 1 and part 2 are it has its own similarity and it has its own differences as well. And we've brought in another very important social message also in the film, which we are dealing with. And it will have all those quickie moments from part 1, those nice emotional family drama from part 1, but it will also have a very...
It also has the little bike from part 1 to part 2. I don't know why.
Luna. It's a sentiment, ma'am. And now part 2 has Kajol, so what else new is needed?
Last 2 questions, please.
Kind of.
The film's a sequel, so VIP means Velayilla Pattadari. So we wanted to retain the title, and this is part 2.
And Velayilla Pattadari means unemployed graduate.
Is a tagline.
It's
so
a
we were
tagline,
thinking
it
of many
means challenge, basically. It means challenge. So Lalkar it's basically for the Hindi audience so that they can identify and understand what the film is about rather than thinking that VIP matlab very important person.
Hi, Kajol. Kajol here.
Hi. I don't know where you are, but hi.
That would be the last question.
हाँ बिल्कुल बोलिए.
काजल 1997 में आपकी तमिल फिल्म आई थी पहली और अब 20 साल बाद आप काम करिए. क्या बीच में भी आपको साउथ की फिल्मों के ऑफर आ रहे थे जो आपने रिजेक्ट किए और क्या वजह थी कि आपने इतना वक्त किया कि आप फिर से साउथ की फिल्म करें?
बहुत ऑफर्स आए थे बीच में लेकिन मैंने हाँ बोलने से like I said I was very nervous. I worked too hard for Sapne. I did not want to work that hard on another language in another film. I have not done a film in any other language. It's not only Tamil. So it's not Marathi, it's not Bengali, it's not because I truly feel मुझे लगता है कि जब भी आप एक्टिंग करते हो किसी और भाषा में जो आपके समझ के बाहर है जिसकी समझ आपकी लिमिटेड है तो मुझे लगता है कि you're concentrating so much on the dialogues that somewhere down the line आपके expression मार खा जाते हैं. So I feel that's I feel somewhere down the line I feel like I'm cheating myself and therefore I feel that it's extra hard work.
आगे भी आप इसके बाद साउथ की फिल्मों के ऑफर्स लेंगी या कुछ?
मुझे लगता है कि अगर मैं लूँ भी मुझे लगता है कि इस मामले में मुझे लगता है कि मुझे लोगों पे भरोसा करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि मुझे भाषा आती नहीं है तो it will depend on the people that I am working with as well.
Saranya ma'am's role. That's a very intelligent and important question. But no, seriously, but I really can't say much about it right now. But you'll be surprised for sure.
धनुष सर आपके सामने एक बार फिर से अमित इस हिंदी फिल्मों में तो है कि एक्टर्स जो हैं वो पॉलिटिक्स से मतलब दूरी बना के रखते हैं. साउथ में हम लोग देखते हैं कि एक्टर्स जो हैं वो पॉलिटिक्स में एक्टिवली इन्वॉल्व होते हैं. रजनी सर के बारे में भी हम लोग सुन रहे हैं कि वो पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं, एक्टिव पॉलिटिक्स. आप लोगों के पास क्या कुछ जानकारी है उनके बारे में या आप लोगों के हिसाब से एक्टिव पॉलिटिक्स में उन्हें मतलब ज्वाइन करना चाहिए?
You didn't see the invite. It said no questions about politics.
नहीं तो मैं ये कह रहा हूँ आपकी ओपिनियन क्या है मतलब जानना चाह रहा हूँ कि उन्हें पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन करनी चाहिए. They should join. Yeah.
Do you have an opinion why they shouldn't?
Yes, मतलब
so I have my opinions and you have your opinions. You stick to yours, I'll stick to mine.
Okay, that's it.
Thank you so very
No
much.
more
Thank you very much.
questions,
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
One second, please. Solan.
Ma'am, you're going to direct a film?
He's asking if you direct a film.
Me? I'm very happy acting. Thank you very much. I have no intention of making extra ulcers in my stomach.
Thank you so much. Chennai la irundhu vandirukra ellarkum romba nandri. Thank you all so much for coming. Thank you.